When working in any of the ASU labs, it is important to make sure you put on gloves properly. To do this successfully, you must adhere to the following steps every time you put on a pair of gloves. In order to protect the equipment you are working with, you have to make sure the outside surfaces of the gloves are not contaminated by your skin, clothing, or anything else. The first step in proper glove procedure is to cut off the top of the box. The pre-made hole is too small and other gloves can become contaminated when using this hole. Carefully take a razor blade and cut around the perimeter of the box to remove the excess cardboard. To remove a glove from the box, grab the rolled edge of the glove you want to use. Carefully shake off any other gloves that might be stuck to it. Do not touch the outside of your glove or any of the other gloves. If you have to peel them apart, be sure to only touch the rolled edge of your glove and one other glove. Putting on each glove is a little different. You can start with either hand, just make sure you follow the order of the procedure. Carefully pick up the glove by the rolled edge and insert your forefingers. Spread out the fingers so that you have control of the glove. Finally, hook your thumb on the inside of the glove, underneath the palm, and pull the glove on. Be sure not to touch the outside of the glove with the fingers on your other hand when you pull it on. Only use your thumb. Also, do not worry about adjusting the edge of the glove, as this will likely lead to contamination. To put on the second glove, use your gloved hand to pick up the glove just under where the thumb will be. Insert your forefingers and spread them out like you did with the first glove. Hook your gloved fingers through the outside of the palm and pull the glove on. When pulling the glove on, be sure not to touch the inside of the glove with your gloved thumb. And again, do not worry about adjusting the edge of the glove. In the lab, stay away from wearing large rings, especially wedding rings with sharp stones that can rip the gloves. Avoid wearing bracelets and large watches because they can come in contact with the gloves and contaminate them. Once the gloves are on, be very careful about what you do and do not touch in the lab. It is acceptable to pick up tools that are cleaned and on sterile surfaces. Avoid touching non-sterile items like pens, uncleaned tools, and cell phones. This also includes food items that should be left outside the lab area at all times. If you need to adjust your safety glasses, avoid touching them with your gloved hands. Instead, adjust them with the sleeve of your lab coat. Sometimes it is easier to put on a second pair of gloves over a contaminated pair rather than taking the first pair off. To do this, you'll follow the same procedure that you would if you did not have gloves on. For the first glove, pick up the rolled edge, insert your forefingers into the glove, spread them out, and hook your thumb to pull the glove on. For the second hand, pick up the glove with your gloved hand, insert your forefingers, spread them out, and hook your gloved fingers through the palm to pull the glove on. To remove the gloves, begin by pinching one of your gloves at the palm and pulling it up just beneath the thumb. and then repeat for the second hand. With the first hand, hook your fingers through the outside of the other glove and pull to remove. Then, using your ungloved hand, hook your thumb underneath the remaining glove and pull it over both gloves. Discard the gloves in the appropriate waist area.